This video demonstrates how to record and update an AKC Kennel Roster for inspection purposes. It covers identifying missing information, completing dog details, and generating a printable roster for documentation. To create a roster for your kennel, click on Reports and Documents, then Inspections, and finally AKC. From the AKC dashboard, you will see an overview of the items needed for your AKC inspection. It provides a summary of items that are missing and need to be worked on. For the kennel roster, we can see that we have 10 items that need work. By clicking View Report, it will show us the document, and at the top of the report, it will tell us the information that is missing. We can scroll down and see the detail for the report and filter the report based on what you want to work on. At the top of the report is the summary of items on the report that need work. We can see there are 3 items missing for Cedar Mountain's Autumn Breeze. The first is color, the second is the sire information, and the third is the dam. By clicking one of these entries, it will move us to the dog where we can fill in the missing information. First, let's add the dog's color. Next, let's look at the sire and dam information. This is located at the top in the origin of the dog. In this case, we purchased the dog, so the sire and dam are not needed for the inspection. So we select Purchase Dog. If it was a dog from our own breeding program, we could have selected that as well. And when we finish going through the list, it looks like it's filled out fairly well, so we can hit Save. In a new tab, you will see the printable roster. Click Print at the top of your form if it looks correct. When we return to the kennel roster, we can see that Autumn Breeze's entries for color, dam, and sire have been removed now that they are corrected. We can then work our way through the rest of the list, filling out the remainder of the missing information. When we're done, we can click Generate a printable roster. It will then create a PDF version for us that we can print and use in the kennel for our inspection. By clicking back to the AKC dashboard, we can see our progress. On the main dashboard page, we can also see an overall view of our kennel readiness for inspections. You should now know how to create an AKC Kennel Roster for your kennel so you can be ready for your inspection, including how to fill in missing information and generate a PDF roster.